In today's video, I will walk you through how to use chalk details in Krita. Open Krita and press B to switch to the brush tool. Open the brush presets docker on the right side, search for chalk details, and click the brush to select it. Chalk details is useful for creating textured strokes with a chalk-like effect. It works well when you need rough details, grainy texture, and natural-looking marks. Adjust the brush size using Shift plus drag or the size box in the top toolbar. Use larger sizes for broader strokes and smaller sizes for details. Control the paint flow by adjusting opacity, lower it for softer, lighter strokes, and increase it for stronger coverage. If you use a drawing tablet, apply light pressure for thinner and lighter strokes, and heavier pressure for thicker and darker strokes. Use this brush when adding textured details, sketching, shading, or creating chalk-style effects. Drag the brush slowly across the canvas for more visible texture. Build up your strokes gradually, with multiple passes instead of applying one heavy stroke. And that's how to use chalk details in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.